Have you ever thought about how ordinary people are making serious money with cryptocurrency? While many see crypto as a wild gamble, it's becoming a legitimate way for people to build wealth and even buy their dream homes, cars, and other assets. But is this just the beginning? With excitement growing around potential new regulations and skyrocketing prices, the crypto scene is buzzing with possibilities and risks. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell.
Welcome to Market Reflect.
Bitcoin just hit $100,000 recently. And yes, you heard that right. Americans call it the Trump pump, and it's hard to ignore how it aligns with Donald Trump's return to the White House. Excitement is in the air as people talk about possible friendlier cryptocurrency regulations. Well, many hope that Trump's administration will ease the strict rules from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, giving the crypto market some breathing room. After all, there are already plenty of opportunities to make money in this market. Check this out. 12% of adults in the UK are now crypto owners, and a staggering 83% of the US millennials are in on the action. These numbers show a big shift in how folks see crypto. Not just a wild gamble, but a legitimate way to build some serious wealth. Getting your dream home with just a small Bitcoin investment. How does that sound? Yep, that's what happened to Miles, a 37-year-old NHS doctor from London. He started investing in 2012 for £4,000 in Bitcoin, and now it's worth an incredible $2.3 million. Woo! And now, just early 2024, he cashed out £600,000 to buy a house. His portfolio may fluctuate by hundreds of thousands daily, but after years in the crypto world, he's learned to handle the ups and downs like a pro. Then there's Terrence Leonard, a former Navy officer with a slightly different journey. He just tried crypto back in 2013, but found it a bit too overwhelming. Then in 2019, he decided to give it another try, after a coworker broke down how it could be a savvy long-term investment. With a $2,000 starting investment, Terrence is now sitting at $1 million in Ethereum and some smaller coins like Unibright. His latest achievement? Cashing out enough to snag a 4-bedroom home in Washington, D.C., complete with a garage and a yard for his dog, Roman. Now that's living the dream. Let's meet Rachel Siegel. In 2017, she was a substitute teacher in New York City, barely scrapping by. Then, she stumbled into a crypto conference after-party, and the magic begins. Her life took a wild turn. Inspired by the folks she met, Rachel started investing $25 a week into Bitcoin. Fast forward to now, and she's sitting pretty with a profit in the low 7 figures. Not too shabby, right? What's really cool is how Rachel's using her newfound wealth. Instead of going on a shopping spree, she bought a condo in the Caribbean with jaw-dropping ocean views. Her only splurge? A first-class trip to Dubai on Emirates, which she called the most lavish experience of my life. Now she's trading in her teaching gig to becoming a full-time crypto influencer under the name @CryptoFinally. Talk about a glow-up. Meanwhile, down in Australia, Kane Ellis took a different path to success. At just 18, he jumped into Bitcoin mining back in 2011. For the uninitiated, mining is when you use your computer's brainpower to verify transactions on the blockchain and earn new coins as a reward. Back then, Kane was raking in 4 Bitcoins a day worth about $8 each. Fast forward to today, and those same coins are worth a staggering $150,000 each. Can you say jackpot? But Kane didn't just stash his coins away. He used them to co-found CarSwap, an online marketplace for car buyers and sellers. And yes, he treated himself to some sweet rides. His Maserati Gran Turismo, complete with the cheeky license plate, "Bankrupt," is his pride and joy. Classic. So why are everyday folks diving into crypto? It's not simply for quick cash. For many, it's a matter of rebuilding trust in the financial system. With soaring house prices, stagnant wages, and savings rates that barely make an impact, people are turning to alternatives. Take Silas Gunn, an 18-year-old from North Yorkshire. He put in £5,000 in Bitcoin after binge-watching YouTube tutorials. Now, his portfolio is sitting at £95,000, and he's hoping the current 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle will boost it up to £500,000. For those not in the know, halving cycles cut Bitcoin supply, often sending prices soaring. Then there's Claire, a 50-year-old nurse from New Zealand who jumped into the crypto game a decade ago, fueled by her belief in its power to shake up finance. Even though she made a nice profit, Claire recently pushed out from some of her gains. Why? She's feeling a bit uneasy about riding the wave of Trump's election-driven crypto boom. For her, the next move is shifting from digital assets to something a bit steadier, like real estate. Ever wondered how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin come to life? Well, let's talk about mining. Back in the day, Kane Ellis set up his computer to process blockchain transactions and, in return, he scored some shiny new Bitcoin. It was like a digital gold rush. But mining isn't the only game in town. Some investors like Terrence Leonard are all about diversification. He got his portfolio split between Ethereum and some niche coins like Unibright. Sure, these small coins can have crazy growth potential, but they're also a bit like riding a roller coaster. Thrilling, but risky. Another key player in the crypto world is the halving cycle. This event rolls around roughly every 4 years and cuts the rate at which new Bitcoin is created. What does this mean? More scarcity, which usually leads to a price bump. For savvy investors like Silas Gunn, getting the hang of this cycle is crucial for timing their investments just right. Not every crypto story has a fairy tale ending. Take Mitchell, a tech worker from Minnesota. He hopped in on the Dogecoin craze, putting in $1,300 between 2021 and 2022. Today, his stash is worth $6,000. Not bad, but a far cry from the millions he had been dreaming of. Then Mitchell decided to go big and bought a single Bitcoin for $42,000 in December 2023. Its value has since then doubled, but boy does he know how wild the market can be. Some analysts like Alliance Bernstein are predicting that Bitcoin could reach $200,000 by late 2025. But Mitchell has learned the hard way to not take those price forecasts too seriously. Then there's Mark, a cycling instructor from Northern England. He's been in the crypto game since 2013 and has made nearly every mistake. Selling too soon, losing coins to theft, and struggling with daily trading. But since 2017, he's found his rhythm with a straightforward strategy. Just hold on to his investments. Turns out, his hands-off approach has been his most profitable move yet. Crypto isn't merely disrupting personal finances, it's also making a splash in politics. Take Ohio's recent Senate race, where crypto-backed super PACs dropped $40 million in ads backing Republican Bernie Moreno. The ads didn't even mention crypto directly, but they helped Moreno unset Sherrod Brown, a known critic of digital currencies. Talk about your stealthy strategy. This political cash splash shows how much influence the crypto industry is gaining. With new laws on the horizon, crypto companies are pushing hard for rules that make their assets more legitimate. Whether it'll work out in the end is still unclear, but one thing is certain: the stakes are high. As the crypto market grows, more people are getting involved. From tech-savvy teens to experienced professionals. With apps and platforms making it easier than ever, investing is no longer limited to just a few. As mentioned before, some analysts are already talking about Bitcoin possibly reaching the $200,000 by late 2025. But if there's one thing that's certain about crypto, it's that it's unpredictable. For those willing to take the risk, the rewards can be huge. Whether it's buying your dream home, starting a business, or gaining financial freedom, crypto is changing the way people build wealth. With so many everyday people finding success in crypto, do you think investing in digital currency is a smart move for the average person? Or is it too risky? Share your thoughts in the comments. And that's it for today.
Hit the like button and subscribe to Market Reflect. Stay tuned for more and catch you at the next one.